It is December 31st. Another year is over. You wanted to speak English fluently this year, but you are still afraid. You still feel frozen when you open your mouth.
If you don't change your plan today, next year will be exactly the same. You will stay stuck. You will lose another 365 days of opportunities.
Stop. Don't worry. Today, we have the Fresh Start Plan. 5 simple steps to make this holiday the turning point for your English.
If you miss these steps, you might never find the courage to start again. Listen to the very end. Your new life starts in this episode.
Ellen, I feel it too. Every year I say, I want to learn a new language, but then I feel nervous. I feel worried.
Exactly, John. Most people feel stuck. Do you know that word, listeners? Stuck. S-T-U-C-K. It means you want to move, but you cannot, like a car in the mud.
That is a great word. I feel stuck. You feel stuck. Many language learners feel stuck because they are afraid of mistakes.
But the holiday season is a special time. It is a time for a fresh start, a new beginning.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Talk English podcast, the best place for beginners to grow their confidence. I am your host, John.
And I am Ellen. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Before we dive into our 5 steps for the new year, we have a small favor. If you want to support us and you want to speak better English in 2026, please click the subscribe button right now.
Yes, and please click the like button. It helps the algorithm show this video to more people who need help. We want to help the whole world speak English.
Thank you for your support. Now, Ellen, let's talk about the holiday spirit. John, what are people doing right now? If we look outside, what do we see?
Oh, the world is very busy, John. People are buying gifts, they are decorating their homes, they are gathering with their families.
Gathering. That's a beautiful word. Can you explain that for our beginner friends?
Of course. To gather means to come together in one place. For example, on New Year's Eve, my family gathers in the kitchen to cook.
I love that. My family gathers in the living room. We sit on the sofa and talk.
Let's look at the grammar here, listeners. We are using the present continuous. People are buying, families are gathering. Why? Because it is happening now, during this season.
It feels very energetic, but Ellen, some people feel stressed. Shopping for gifts is hard.
It is. Let's help our listeners. Imagine you are in a shop. You are looking for a gift for your friend. What do you say?
I usually say, hello, I am looking for a gift.
Good. And if you want to know the price?
How much is this? Or how much does this cost?
Perfect. What if the shirt is blue, but you want a red one?
I ask, do you have this in red?
You see, these are simple sentences. I am looking for, how much is, do you have? You don't need complex grammar to be a great shopper.
That is very helpful. I have a question for our listeners now. Listeners, tell us in the comments, what is your favorite food for the new year? Write it in English. Is it cake? Is it chicken? Is it pasta? We want to know.
Oh, I love reading about food. It makes me hungry.
We were talking about shopping, Ellen, but let's go deeper. Why do we give gifts? Is it just about spending money?
That is a deep question for a beginner podcast, John. But I think the answer is simple. A gift says, I am thinking about you.
I like that. I am thinking about you. Listeners, notice the preposition about. We don't say thinking to you, We say thinking about you.
Right, and you don't need to buy an expensive car or a gold watch. Sometimes a small gift is better.
I agree. For example, last year, my friend gave me a book. It was not expensive, but I love reading. It was the perfect gift.
So for our students, let's learn some gift vocabulary. John, what do you call the paper we put on a gift?
We call it wrapping paper, and we wrap the gift. W-R-A-P. The W is silent.
Great tip, to wrap. And after we wrap it, we put a ribbon or a bow on top. It looks beautiful.
But what if I receive a gift and I don't like it? For example, someone gives me a very ugly sweater. What should I say in English?
Oh, that is a classic problem. You must be polite. You can say, "Thank you so much. That is very kind of you."
That is very kind of you. That is a great phrase. It focuses on the person's heart, not the ugly sweater.
Exactly. You can also say, "I love the color," even if you hate the style. It's a small white lie for Christmas.
Okay, let's take a quick break here. Friends, are you enjoying this conversation? Are you learning new words like wrap, gather, and stuck? If yes, please share this video with one friend, just one. Maybe they are also nervous about speaking English. Let's help them together. Okay, we are back. Now, let's talk about the big one, New Year's resolutions.
Resolutions. That is a long word for a beginner. Let's break it down. Resolutions. It just means a promise to yourself.
My promise is always the same. I am going to exercise more. But after 1 week, I stop.
You are not alone, John. Many people fail. But let's look at the grammar you used. I am going to exercise.
Yes. Why do we use going to?
Because it is a plan. When you decide something before you speak, you use going to. Listeners, try it with me. I am going to learn English.
I am going to read more books.
I am going to travel to a new country.
This is very important. In 2026, don't just say, I want. Say, I am going to. It feels stronger.
But John, why do people fail? You said you stop after 1 week. Why?
I think I try to do too much. I say, I am going to exercise for 2 hours every day. That is too hard.
I agree. My advice for English learners is start small. Don't study for 5 hours. Study for 10 minutes, but do it every day.
That is a deep secret. Success is not about big jumps. It is about small steps.
Exactly. If you walk 1 step every day, at the end of the year, you have walked 365 steps. That's a long way.
I have a question for you all. What is your #1 goal for the new year? Write it in the comments using I am going to. For example, I am going to watch 1 English video every day. We will read your goals. Some people say, John, I want a vacation, but I have no money for a plane ticket.
Then they need a staycation. Remember that word from our last talk?
Yes, stay plus vacation. But Ellen, how can we have an English staycation?
It's easy. You change the environment in your house.
How?
Change your phone language to English. Watch a movie with English subtitles. Cook a new recipe, but read the instructions in English.
That's smart. You are disconnecting from your old habits and connecting to English.
Yes, and the best part? It's free. You don't need a passport to practice English in your kitchen.
Wow, Ellen, we talked about a lot of things today. My brain feels full, but in a good way.
That is the feeling of learning, John. Let's help our listeners remember the most important parts. Let's do a recap.
Great idea. First, we talked about feeling stuck. Remember, listeners? Like a car in the mud. But we have a solution. The fresh start.
And then we looked at the holiday spirit. We learned the word gather. Families gather to eat, talk, and laugh.
We also went shopping. We learned how to ask for things. I am looking for a gift. And how much is this?
And don't forget the ugly sweater. We learned how to be polite. That is very kind of you. It's a great phrase for any situation, not just gifts.
Then we talked about the future, New Year's resolutions. We learned to use I am going to for our plans.
My favorite part was start small. Don't try to climb the whole mountain in one day. Just take one small step every day. 10 minutes of English is better than 0 minutes.
And finally, the staycation. You don't need a plane ticket to learn English. You just need your phone, a movie, or a recipe in your kitchen.
It's all about disconnecting from fear and connecting to your goals.
Ellen, before we go, I want to say something to our listeners. Some of you might think, English is too hard for me. I am too old, or I don't have enough time.
John, I hear that a lot, but it's not true. English is not a monster, it is a tool. It is a key that opens new doors.
Exactly. Imagine next year. Imagine you are at an airport and you can speak to the officer. Imagine you are at work and you can understand a global meeting.
That feeling is beautiful. It is called confidence, and you deserve to have it.
So don't let the fear stop you. 2026 is your year. We are here to help you every week on the Talk English podcast.
You are not alone. You have us, and you have this amazing community in the comments. Look at the comments. People from Brazil, Japan, Iran, France, everyone is learning together.
Well, this is the end of our special New Year episode.
Oh, I am a little sad. I enjoyed this chat so much.
Me too. But we will be back very soon with more lessons.
Before you leave, listeners, if you liked this long talk, please give us a big thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Click subscribe and turn on the notifications. You don't want to miss our first episode of the new year.
And remember to answer our questions in the comments. We love reading your goals and your favorite holiday foods.
Thank you for listening to the Talk English podcast. I am John.
And I am Ellen.
Have a wonderful holiday, stay safe, and keep practicing.
Happy New Year, everyone.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.